Come on! Let's go, green smoothie! Let's wake up! Come on! Like the stream, get involved. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need my workout, been doing really well this week. Let's go. Hey, yo! Hey, yo, what's up? I'm here to pump you up. I'm here to pump you up. Come on, guys. Let's wake up. Let's get locked in. I need maximum effort, maximum energy. I'm not going to lie to you guys. We took a hit down to $26,328 in annual recurring revenue. It's going to get worse before it gets better. But we have an unbreakable spirit. We're shipping new products out. We're replacing the fallen annual recurring revenue with new annual recurring revenue. We woke up to a new sale on our SaaS that we shipped live on the stream, CLIPPO, which is taking this stream that you guys are watching right now, breaking it up into viral clips, growing my audience on autopilot for me. We're up 1,000 subscribers in the last 2 weeks. We got monetized on YouTube. I flipped the switch to make it live. I guess you have to wait a week for them to actually make it live after you flip the switch. We got monetized on X. We got our first payout. Elon sent us $5,000. The money's in the bank account. I ordered a standing desk. Nothing can stop us. We are going to the moon. And I need you guys to wake up. No, I'm on my knees right now. I'm on my knees. Monster, good morning, good morning, good morning. Monster says, just purchased ChatGPT Plus and it's now been working on a prompt for 55 minutes. Is this normal? No, guys, I was just on my knees. I was just on my knees. What's with the hair today? I'm just getting psychotic. I'm just getting absolutely psychotic. I was banging my head. I was banging my head back and forth, and it completely unlocks my hair. I mean, at some point, we are going to have to get a haircut. I dabbled with the idea. Of not getting a haircut until we reach at least $100,000 in annual recurring revenue. I think that's probably a good idea. Well, look who decided to start early and lock in. Rise and grind, gang. Let's go, David Kang. Hermes carried out a 2-hour and 15-minute execution for me yesterday. Life is good. I love that. Any chance you looked up copy fail? Yes, I did. Not an issue. 0% issue. But good looking out. I love that. I love that. No haircut and no shaving. I can't. I'll look. It'll be non-motivational. You guys will get on the stream here and you're going to say, disaster. Disaster. Guys, what's going on today? It's Friday. We're at $26,328 in annual recurring revenue. It's going to get worse before it gets better. We have to keep shipping. We have to keep marketing. We have to keep blasting out products into the universe, building our audience, sharing the word. Come on, Beard Max. Come on, let's go. Aaron, welcome to the stream. Good morning. D, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Guys, how are we doing today? How are we doing today? How come my pull-up counter, how come my my fitness counter is not fitness countering? Every day it's going to have an issue? Is that what's going on here? Oh, it's because I didn't start the server. It's because I did not start the server. That's my bad, guys. That's my bad. We'll fix that. Post haircut, Max, where did the flow go? The flow is gone. The flow is gone. Guys, drop a comment in chat. What are you working on today? What are you excited about today? Are you doing anything fun this weekend? What's happening? What's going on in your life? And let's jump straight into it. Brandon, let's go! Talk with Taylor. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on. The flow went to the bank. Yes, it did. Okay. Yes, it did. I need you guys to wake up today. I really, really need you guys to wake up today. I need you guys to wake up and I need you to get alive. I need you to get this skill installed. And then I need you to do a deep dive on CLIPPO Cloud, the application here, every single line, and figure out which one of these marketing skills are going to be the absolute best for us to spend time and effort on deploying today. Make me a list. Do not make any changes yet. Let's get this thing blasted off to the moon. Come on! All right, that's live. That's live, guys. Come on. I need you to do an absolute deep dive on this SaaS and figure out the simplest, most high value onboarding flow we can add so that after somebody signs up for this product, they are greeted with a congratulations screen that has confetti, maybe even fireworks, and then dives them deep, dives them straight into this is how it works. This is how you can set up it to run agentically. This is how you link your YouTube channel. This is how you start making your first clips. Do not make any changes yet. Just give me a description of what's going on. Make no mistakes. Come on. All right, guys, wake up. Albert Pack is here. He says, sup, let's go, Albert. Brandon says, working day job right now, training to run VO2 max, going up HRV, peaked at 112 yesterday, seeing long distance girlfriend this weekend. Let's go! All right, Peptide app is waiting for approval from iOS, so I'm making my next app in custom AI short form marketing software. Hey, I got my fingers crossed right here. If you don't get approved the first time, no big deal. Just keep going. Just keep rolling. Talk with Taylor says, I gave Hermes a playbook on how/when to use Claude Code, Codex, Anti-Gravity, or another Hermes agent. It splits my mini project into 5+ phase executions that different agents carry out and report back. Okay, says here, right here. Hold on. Right here. Right here. Okay, says any Linux users here trying to find WhisperFlow alternative for my setup that is non-Mac/Windows right here. I don't know if you're allowed to use voice to text on Linux. I think you have to just get absolutely psychotic, cracked out of your mind, and get one of those keyboards that has like the it has like 4 buttons on either side, and you just start pressing it, and it's like it's writing at a words per minute that's uncomprehendable to the human mind. Like it, you know what I'm talking about, guys? They have this keyboard that Linux users will sometimes use. You have to be slightly autistic to use it, and you're just like sorry about that. Yo, how you doing, man? And today you came a bit early. Appreciate your dedication, bro. Yes, I did. Guys, if you ever want to know exactly when I'll be live, 75% of the time I post in the announcements channel on the Discord. So join the Discord server. The link is in the description of the YouTube. And then you will know that I'm live. Nah, I just got to get Neuralink. I know a part of me says the same thing, but the other part of me says that's way too sketchy. Quigago has an open source one Clanker built. He might post in the Discord. You never know. Smelly Deli, what's up? Good morning. I did see Grok Builder release. I think that next week we're probably going to have to check out Grok Super Heavy, and we're going to have to check out their CLI. I mean, right off the bat, guys, I'm feeling like it's probably going to be awful. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. 95 to 75% of the time. It's closer to 50% of the time, but you guys understand. You guys know. Let's go here. Let's go OBS. Not OBS. What am I doing? Let's go Ghosty. Can I make a new window? We're going to CD into desktop agent. And then we're going to get the crunch server started. No such file or directory. Great. Oh, this is the wrong directory. We're going to CD into stream elements. Come on, wake up, guys. Get the crunch server started. Today we're doing crunches, guys. I'm absolutely terrified. I need you to understand. Crunches, I don't even remember the last time I've done a sit-up or a crunch, okay? So the thought of me possibly doing 150 crunches today is terrifying. I'm going to wake up tomorrow morning and not be able to laugh because my abs are so sore after this. I know it. I don't even know if I can do 150 crunches. If I'm being totally honest with you, I don't know if I can do it. Why is it not working still? All right, there it is. Has nobody liked the stream? Is that what's going on here? Do you guys hate me? Has nobody liked the stream? I don't think that's the case. I do not think that's the case. All right, we got 10 likes on the stream. I mean, I vibe coded this morning. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I vibe coded this before I got on stream today, and it seems like it's already having issues, but it's fine. We're just gonna keep rolling, and nothing can bring us down at this point. Absolutely nothing can bring us down at this point. Can you make sure that we are pulling the likes from this YouTube video? Because right now it says 0 crunches remaining, even though we have over 10 likes on the YouTube video. I need you to wake up, GPT-55. Okay, guys. I'm way behind. I'm so behind. Okay. The Gato Meow. Welcome to the stream. By the way, amazing profile picture and amazing name. I can't even believe that. I'm using Handy, search Handy Computer. I'm using it on Linux, okay? Smickle also uses Handy instead of WhisperFlow and works fine. Why do people use Whisper? Am I just being too poor to pay for another AI? No, I think it's ridiculous that I'm paying for Whisper. That doesn't make any sense. I agree. We're going to have like an 8-hour stream where I make the most unbelievable replacement to Whisper Flow, and I'll have it be like a buy me a coffee thing or something like that. And every now and then, like when you send your prompt in, instead of it actually doing your prompt, it's just gonna have me scream back at you like, I need you to wake up! Instead of sending your voice to text, and it's just you're gonna be like coding. You're gonna be like, all right, can you please change that button color to green and also add some padding above it? And then you're gonna hear me scream that at you, and you're gonna be like, oh, I gotta get back on Whisper Flow. Humble. Let's get it, Rachel. Let's go, Rachel. You know what they say, just keep vibe coding through the vibes. What's the challenge of the day? 2 crunches per like. Yes, it's 2 crunches per like. I can't even tell you guys how terrified I am. I mean, I haven't done a single crunch in 2 years. The thought of doing 150 plus crunches today is making me shake in my boots. I think that I'm going to be so sore tomorrow that I won't be able to laugh or stand up or move around. But I think that this is just a bridge we have to cross, you know? We've been putting it off for a while, and it's time for us to get locked in and just be a big boy about it. All right, just make your text-to-speech only register vocals above a certain decibel. Call it shout instead of... Okay. It's crazy that you say that, Talk with Taylor. Because the other day, I was brainstorming things that I could build. And I wanted to build my own Whisper and call it Scream Flow. Obviously, you don't have to actually scream. That would be ridiculous if you had to scream to use it. But it'd be so like vibe coder styled. Like I would make it like absolute degenerate vibe coder styling. And call it Scream Flow. And it would be like the middle finger to Whisper Flow. Yo, Max, do you ever run into getting crappy generic vibe coded UI? And how do you get around it if you do? All the time, dude. Bro, that scream was as louder as a loudspeaker. Bro, running on ChatGPT in the big 2026. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT. Bro, running on ChatGPT in the big... Talk to speech to be built into the Super IDE project. Yes. That's what I like to hear. So when we get terrible UI, the thing that we do is we go into ChatGPT Image Gen 2, and we take a screenshot of the current UI. We have it redesign it. We explain very thoroughly to ChatGPT that less is more. That is the reoccurring theme of our stream. Less is more, less is more. And then it usually makes a beautiful user interface for us. Then you have to feed that back to ChatGPT 5.5. You have to give it the ability to use Playwright so that it can open the version it coded and the screenshot that you gave it, okay? Compare the two and create a feedback loop where it starts changing the UI so that it looks like the screenshot you gave it. So it starts, going back and forth, making changes, checking, until it gets absolutely beautiful. All right, we have David Camp in here today. I'm so glad you're here. He says, I'm not sure how I landed here. Gravity. First of all, gravity got you here. We're creating gravity around us, and it pulled you in, David. And I'm so glad you're here. I couldn't be any more happy that you're here this morning. But I'm here for it. I'm working with Claude to develop web applications for my healthcare organization, and this has been so helpful. Oh my God. Thank you for the lovely message this morning. Maybe you have to wrap your demands, really lean into your music app. Oh my God, guys. I cannot have you unlock this early in the stream. I really cannot. Yesterday, we got unlocked minutes into the stream. We can't have it happen again today. Have you checked out open source UI designer, where you plug in your GPT key? No, I haven't. Hey Max, by the way, which AI or software do you use for vibe coding? We use GPT-5.5 right now. Every now and then when I'm feeling spicy, I'll pull open Opus 4.7 and down every time. It just lets me down every time. I don't know what to say. It really does. It really, really does. These crunches are going to take me a long time to do, so I think I'm just going to try to do like 5 at a time, and that's probably just me coping right now with the fact that crunches are difficult. So maybe I'll do 10 at a time instead and just not be a baby about it. This music is kind of absolutely fire this morning, and it's firing me up. No rabbit holes. No rabbit holes. Did you listen to the new Drake? I did not listen to the new Drake, but I saw a lot of stuff on X about it. I saw a lot of stuff about the new Drake on X, and I don't know. I don't know what to think yet, guys. I really don't. Did you guys listen to it yet? What did you think? I wish we could play it on stream, but you know, YouTube brought us down on Wednesday. Vander! The Chronicles of Vander and Blade. Guys, for those of you just joining us, okay, we're at $26,000 in annual recurring revenue. It's going to get worse before it gets better. We woke up, we have one app dying, and we have one app rising from the fire like a phoenix, okay? We woke up to a new sale of CLIPPO. This is the first product ever that I've not have like gone viral on day one and got a whole shit ton of users and then they slowly churn. We're doing the opposite thing right now, and it feels unbelievable. We are starting from the back of the pack. Like, if this is a NASCAR race, I know a lot of you guys are international, so you probably don't even know what NASCAR is. If this is a car race, okay, we're in the back of the pack, and I'm just driving this thing like, I'm driving myself to the front of the pack, and it feels amazing. Like, starting from zero and slowly gaining some traction with it, instead of blasting off into outer space like we did with Quick Claw and then... It's going to go up, brother. ARR to the moon. We got Oliver Henry in here. Let's fucking go! I love that guy. We had a great chat yesterday. It's a good sign. It means it will only get better from here. Yes, 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 yes. No getting baited by trolls today. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, our goals today, guys, are very simple. We're going to use this marketing skill. This guy is excellent. This guy is really fantastic. If you've never seen him before, his name is Corey Haynes on X. I really love everything he's doing. And he created this marketing skill. And it's a Claude Code skill, right? That is basically, what is it? It's 40 different skills and 52 different tool integrations to help market your SaaS from your agent. Okay, so paid ads, email sequences, social content, launch strategies, pricing strategies, referral programs. So we're going to check this skill out. It's totally free. He puts it out for free. Every time he puts it out, it gets insane attention. I mean, this has 100,000 views. It has 1.7K bookmarks. No one's actually going to use it except for us. No one is actually going to use it except for us. This guy is a legendary marketer. We're going to use his SaaS skill. We're going to use his skill for Claude Code, and we're going to run it on CLIPPO. We're going to see where the highest leverage tasks we can do are and what we can deploy agentically You know, there's all this knowledge out there, guys. There's all these free skills out there that are absolutely incredible, made by top tier people in the world. Like, I'm talking top tier people in the world. We have to take advantage of this shit. We have to pass it off to our Hermes agent and say, dude, what should we be doing with this? Figure out what we should be doing with this and do it every day. I need you guys to wake up. Congrats, bro, for the new sale. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yo, this markdown file will change everything. I've been listening to Matt Pocock on his agent-driven workflows, and it's been super helpful. Congrats on the sale, dude. Tell me when you need some data for advertisement. I have a method to turn LinkedIn profiles, your personas, to audiences for B2C apps. I'm too scared of LinkedIn. Vander, I know we're Vander and Blade. I know that we're Vander and Blade, but I'm terrified of LinkedIn. I don't understand what's going on. All right, guys, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just try it. Oh, wait, it's working. It's working. It's actually working. I can't believe it. Enough. Stop working. Stop. Enough. Asteria, come. Hey. Come here. Sorry, guys. My dog just went ballistic. My dog just went absolutely ballistic over nothing. Every single day of my life. Every single day of my life. 2, I just had to test it. Will be good if you review the skills. Security is a little wonky. People put their referral codes in them and other unethical stuff. Absolutely. Absolutely. All right, guys. I think that you guys can tell me in the chat. Let me know in the chat. I think that the crunches counter worked perfectly. I think that the crunches counter worked perfectly, but I think that we don't have the music on the crunches scene. So we have to change that. We have to update that, guys. All right, let's see what this says. It says installed Corey Haynes marketing skills. 40 skills landed at agents/skills with skills lock.json added. Best skill today, use sign up first. CLIPPO Cloud already has the product loop billing plans, Google Auth, Stripe checkout, YouTube Xernio scheduling, and agent tokens. The weakest deployable marketing service is the paid sign up path. Right now, /login is basically signing with Google plus pricing and plans on the homepage. But the homepage is the authenticated product app. Unpaid users get redirected to checkout before they can evaluate the product. The plan selector exists, but it is buried in settings. The good news, the backend already supports tier-aware Google sign up and checkout. And the default tier is already Streamer that makes sign up. What is this talking about? Build a public sign up / pricing decision screen before Google Auth. Three plan cards. Is this smoking crack? We already have that, guys. Where are you making the program to track the workout super slick? I'm just vibe coding them with GPT-5.5 before I get on the stream. I'm vibe coding them right before I get in the stream, and that's why every time, the first time I showcase a new one, it doesn't work. Because honestly, I vibe code it, I test it like one time, and then I'm just like, fuck it, let's go live. It's saying your sign up funnel isn't structured well for conversion, I think. Yeah, I think that's what it's saying too. I think the problem that we have, I think one of the problems that we have is this login button. This login button right here, I think this is a major issue because like let's say you click streamer right here. You click get CLIPPO. It logs you in. And then if I wasn't already signed up for it, it would have given me the Stripe checkout for that product. But when I just hit that login button, guys, when I just hit the login button right here, I think that it just sends you to log in, sign in with Google, and then automatically puts you through to the streamer plan. Let me see what this says. So if I'm not a current member and I hit the login button and then I log in with Google, by default, does it send me to the streamer plan for Stripe checkout? Or how does that work exactly? Because I know if you click on the pricing card in the pricing section on the landing page, which is Clipper Claw landing. Oh, I know what's going on, guys. I know what's actually going on. So it's in, we made the back end and front end in two separate directories, which is nice for organization, but for a skill like this, it's not good at all. It's actually bad for a skill like this. So like what we need to do is we need to say, okay, I need you to look at Clipper Claw landing. It's in the apps directory, and include that in your deep dive along with the deep dive you did on Clipper Claw Cloud. And I think that will influence your decision. All right, guys. Clawby, welcome to the stream. Thank you for being here. I tried marketing skill from a guy in the chat. It's been killing it for me. Unbelievable. That's awesome. What do you have it doing, Clawby? What do you have it doing? My mom, hi mom, welcome. She says you need a mat for crunches, LOL. Yes, I really do. It kind of feels nice on my back though. The hard floor does feel really nice. Especially like my T-spine right here. Because from doing this, guys, I am getting built like a fucking tank from all of these workouts that we're doing, by the way. Like my back and my chest. Like I am getting built like a goddamn tank from this shit. But my T-spine, because what happens is as we get coding, guys, I start going to here. Like this, like terrible posture like this. And then my T-spine starts hurting. But those crunches actually feel really good for kind of like foam rolling out my T-spine. I'm sorry, guys. All right, so simplest high-value onboarding flow. The best version should be a short first-run overlay, not a whole new app section. Congratulations screen. Full screen modal over the dashboard with confetti fireworks message. Your CLIPPO workspace is ready. One primary button, set up CLIPPO. How it works. 3 compact steps. Paste a YouTube URL. CLIPPO finds the best moments, renders clips, or auto-schedule shorts. Keep this lightweight. The product is easy enough that this should not become documentation. Link YouTube. Reuse the existing Connect YouTube flow. This is the most important setup step because campaign auto scheduling requires a connected YouTube account. The backend campaign flow explicitly stops with needs input. Apex, if you're here, Rachel, if you're here, have you guys already linked your YouTube? And did you find that difficult? Rachel, if you're here, Rachel Codes, and Apex, if you're here. I'm thinking that if we had a light onboarding, that could be really nice. Congratulations screen. Link YouTube. Set up agentic mode. I don't want them to feel trapped into the onboarding, so maybe we have an X in the modal that says something next to it that's like skip onboarding or something like that. You know, and that way there we can have the first step be congratulations, I'm so glad you're here. It means the absolute world to me that you're trying out CLIPPO. And maybe I have a picture of my face looking all cute with like a thank you so much. And then after that, we have the paste the YouTube URL. And when they paste the URL and hit the button to start the analyzing, in the background and automatically move the modal to the next step, which is link YouTube. And we could have the link YouTube flow right there. And then after the YouTube is linked, it can automatically progress to the setup agentic mode. And I'm also thinking that on top of having the next button or the flow of the like, do this, do that, we also have a skip button. So let's say somebody wants to go through the onboarding, but they don't want to paste the YouTube URL right now. Then there's a skip button. So they can skip that step and go on to the link YouTube and they can link their YouTube. Or if they don't want to link their YouTube, they can skip that and they can go to the setup agentic mode. You know, so let's make a really beautiful modal that pops up when on first login that walks us through all that and has all those options involved. And let's test it out. I want you to make a commit right now to GitHub so that we have the current state of the project so we can go back to it if I hate this. Woo! Dude, that was a 10 out of 10 prompt. Oh my God, that was a 10 out of 10 prompt. I hope you guys realize that was a 10 out of 10 prompt. Oh, we didn't even go over goals. I pulled up the goals page and I didn't even go over it, guys, with you. All right. We're gonna try out the marketing skill. Okay. We're gonna create some onboarding and we're gonna do 100 crunches today. It's day 23. We're at $26,328 in annual recurring revenue. Everything is going our way. Rachel Code says, yes, link, no issues for me. Thank you so much, Rachel. I appreciate that. Clueless Nova, yo, what's up? After like another week or two, we got to get you to do all this with a weighted vest. I think that is the best idea I've heard in chat so far today. Skip onboarding usually pairs with a resume onboarding here in the future function. I like that a lot. Truly amazing. I'm okay. What about you? I'm doing good. Holy prompt terrorist. I think clipping the hippo should be the one thanking them. That's actually a really good idea. Our project name, it's the first link in the YouTube description. It's called Get CLIPPO. So here is Get CLIPPO. And it just takes our live stream and it chops it up into viral shorts, automatically posts them on YouTube for us. And it's absolutely growing our stream on autopilot. Day 23, man, time flies. I can't even believe it. I legitimately can't believe it. I don't know how it's happening. And the best part about CLIPPO is it works totally agentically. So if you do have a Hermes agent or an OpenClaw agent or even Claude Code or Codex, you can control CLIPPO straight from there. So like when I'm done with this live stream today, I'm just going to pull open Hermes and I'm going to say, send the stream to CLIPPO, baby. Send the stream to CLIPPO. And it will send it over to CLIPPO and then it'll make the clips and schedule them automatically for the next couple days. And then I will get tens of thousands of views. Subscriber count will go up. Stream viewage will go up. Stream hours will go up. Monetization will go up. life fulfillment will go up, happiness will go up, Discord community will go up, annual recurring revenue will go up. I mean, what do you want? What do you want? Oh my God. Oh my God, that's going to be a problem. I love your app, but I have a suggestion. Why not include open source templates? Give me more, give me more, give me more details, Conan. I like what you're saying a lot. Give me more details, please. How does it work? How do we employ it? Bro, it's wrong form. Your legs shouldn't go up while doing crunches. Normally I would have my legs tucked underneath. I would have my legs tucked underneath the thing, but it doesn't matter at all. And if it helps, I've been a fitness coach for the last 13 years of my life. Having your legs go up or down, your abdomen still has to pull your body up to the top. So even if something's happening over here, your abdomen still has to pull your body to the top. Like, yes, it would be better if I secured my legs underneath something, but my abdomen still has to pull my body up. There's no fighting that physics. But the problem is I don't have anything to secure my legs to, so it's really not even possible for me to just come up. All right, let's see what this skill says. Included landing page changes my decision pricing. The landing page already has the missing public pricing sign up path I thought cloud lacked. It has a plan CTAs wired straight into cloud tier aware Google Auth. So sign up is no longer the top bottleneck. The top risk is now the landing page offer and cloud product entitlements do not line up cleanly. The landing sells 4 hours, 30 hours, 100 hours, but cloud currently has a global submission 2 hours, 5 days, 1 active job per user, not tier specific source hour metering. It also auto schedules up to 4 clips a day, while the landing repeatedly says every 2 hours. That is a packaging offer problem before it is growth problem. Updated priority list, pricing, align pricing, promises, plan limits, comparison table, and cloud entitlement. Product marketing, create a canonical source of truth, so landing, legal cloud UI, and docs stop drifting. Analytics, onboarding, sign up still useful but demoted. Copywriting. I kind of hate this. I was thinking this skill was going to be incredible. I kind of hate it already. Max, from the apps and projects that you've built, what do you think is the most fulfilling aspect of it, or is it mainly for the money? No, it's like, obviously I have to make money, Amir, and it hurts to even say this, but like the money is honestly, and this is stolen from Donald Trump, but the money is just the scoreboard. It's extremely fulfilling to build something that provides massive value And then money becomes the scoreboard for how much value you create to the universe. Does that make sense? So yes, I like making money, but money is like a direct representation of how much value I can possibly create to the universe. And it's the most addicting thing I can possibly think of. Like CLIPPO is going to generate thousands and thousands of subscribers. It already has. It's generated over 1,000 subscribers for myself. And it's going to generate thousands of subscribers for the people using it. It's going to generate hundreds of viewers for the people using it. Maltrove says, I bit the bullet and got the $100 ChatGPT for more Codex usage. Have you found alternatives that are better and more generous on usage? I mean, I don't think you could possibly use the whole $100 Codex subscription, if I'm being honest with you. And if you do, that's insane. Allie, welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for being here. Do you plan to add local models? No, it all runs in the cloud. It all runs 100% in the cloud. This is a done-for-you product. So this is not like for tinkerers. It's for people that want to take their stream and on autopilot, basically generate more viewers, generate more subscribers, generate more attention for themselves. It's for the people that don't want to worry about sitting down and clipping their live stream, editing the clips. This is like a non-tinkering product. Like, yes, we will make tinkering products. This is not one of those. This is a set and forget. Smickle, that's a great idea. We have to start trying that. Get CLIPPO keeps the YouTube algo happy and gives you momentum. That's exactly what it does. That is exactly what it does. Okay, please fix privacy and terms to reflect the new cloud positioning. And start there, please. All right, let's go into the editor here. And actually first I got to get an editor. I have to get a local situation fired up. You guys, GPT-5.5 is so bad at design, guys. Guys, GPT-5.5 is so bad at design. Okay. It just does too much, dude. It just does too much. Congratulations, I'm so glad you're here. It means the absolute world to me that you're trying out CLIPPO. Let's get you from a YouTube URL to your first clips without burying you in settings. You can close this now and use the dashboard normally. Skip onboarding. And there's CLIPPO there. Yo, how dope would it be? How dope would it be if we took a photo of me? Took a photo of me like this. And then right here, guys. I had AI add CLIPPO the hippo, and we're both giving the thumbs up like this. Dude, that would be sick. For when you first join it, everybody that joined this SaaS right now knows me. Okay, I am the funnel right now. I'm the funnel. So it would be so sick if when you join, it's a little me and CLIPPO the hippo. We're doing it. I don't care. We're doing it. Use with your webcam for the workout stuff, or did you just prompt Hermes or whoever? Okay, Taylor, if you're in the Discord, today, without fail, there will be a link shared that has all of the workout programs I've made so far that you can download and use with a webcam. Your face clip of the hippo body? No. 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 All right, so let's go to setup CLIPPO. All right, paste the YouTube URL, drop in a VOD stream podcast for long form video. Once analysis starts, the setup keeps moving. All right, I'm gonna hit skip URL. It says link your YouTube channel. This lets CLIPPO schedule finished clips through this same publishing flow used by the schedule tab. Connect your channel so CLIPPO can schedule shorts after clips render. I love this, guys. I actually love this. Like, I actually love this so much. I want to have a back button up here. I want to get rid of this text in the bottom left. Like, actually, maybe we just have, like, I think that the action button should be underneath the item. All right, we got a lot to do here. We have a lot of work to do here. I really need you guys to lock in. Because I can feel the chat right now a little bit unlocked. I need you guys to lock the fuck in. I think we take this link YouTube button and we put it right here, okay? So the action item's here. And then this will be a skip. This will be like a next step button or something like that. And then we get rid of this and we replace it. We just delete this maybe. We just delete this entirely. And then we have a go back button or something. All right, let's skip this for now. Set up agentic mode. Give agent a scope CLIPPO token so it can start campaigns, check progress, render clips, and schedule posts for you. Wow. Skip agent setup. Okay, that's a nice onboarding. That's a really nice onboarding. What service generates the clips? I have a Python server that does it. Mac, should I buy a 2 mini Mac? Oh my God, sorry. Hold on. Max, hi Ray. Should I buy a 2 mini Mac to make a small AI cluster now, or should I save my money for later? Because if the RAM prices in the mini Mac is out of stock now. No, do not run local AI. Do not run local AI. Do not run local AI. I know a lot of people are saying you need to be buying this and running local AI. Do not do that. Do not do that. Do not do that. Do not do that. Don't do that. Do not do that. If you want to play around with different models, download OpenCode today. Get yourself a key from OpenRouter. Get yourself a little key from OpenRouter. And then try any model that you would possibly like in the entire world. Okay? Look at all these amazing models. Some of them are free. A lot of them are free. Look at HY3 Preview. Claude Opus 4.7. Kimi K 2.6. All right, guys. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense, guys. I hope it makes sense. You guys understand, I know you do. You guys understand, you're so smart, and I know you understand. Wait, so do that? Yes, what I'm trying to tell you is do that. The free models train on your prompts. Yes, they do. They really do. They really do. Who cares? I don't. I might care a little bit. I don't use them. I don't use the free models. If I'm being totally honest with you guys, I don't use the free models. Okay, I don't use them. But if I couldn't afford to use the models I am using, I would be using the free models. I'd be their #1 trainer. I would be training their models all day, every day for them until I saved up enough money to get a $20 Codex sub. Or actually, I'd probably, if I had $20, I'd probably go to Kimmy K 2.6 first because it's actually really good. Little secret, all models train your prompts. Absolutely. Absolutely. And a lot of people are going to say, no, they don't. They, OpenAI says in their credo that they do not train on your prompts. I think we can all agree that's bullshit. I think everybody in this chat can agree that's bullshit. Does this thing have any sort of SEO skills? Nah, they said they don't if you pay. Yeah, I don't know if I'm trusting Sam Altman with that. I'm not sure I'm trusting Sam Altman with that at all. All right, the welcome screenshot is clean, but it's missing the celebration feel you asked for. I'm adding lightweight CSS confetti to the welcome state so it has that congratulations moment without pulling in a dependency. Rachel, I will make sure that you get the confetti the next time you log in once we make this going live. Because I don't think it's fair that people that have already signed up for CLIPPO are not going to get the confetti. So we're going to give you the confetti. 37 pages of terms of service explaining what we don't train on your prompt means it's bullshit. That is exactly what it means. There's a reason they're all trying to get you to use them instead of the other guy. All right, what's your opinion on free tier CLIPPO with watermark for marketing? I think it's a good idea if we had $5,000 to waste a month. Guys, the free tier stuff, if you're like me where you're self-funded and you're a solo person, and this comes straight from my mentors, okay? I literally have a message from Tebow and from Mark Liu. You know, the free tier thing, it's just not possible to offer at my level. It just isn't. I wish it was. And I know you're saying that it would be free marketing to do the CLIPPO thing. And I mean, yeah, we could try it. We could try it out and see what return on investment looks like, because we're going to have to pay to have the clips made. And then also the free people are going to be using server time, filling the pipeline. So I guess we would have to like deprioritize it in the queue or something like that. Because we can only have like 20 things being clipped at the same time. And that's why I have it limited to only 50 people right now. Because when we hit that 50 people, we're going to have to figure out what we do to scale compute. Thanks, Rachel. Free usage with local model. You guys are local modeled out of your mind. Everyone everywhere will sell every bit of data they have on you, so we just got to use things that benefit us the most and move on with our lives. LOL. It's not the so it's not the model that it's not the model that is the problem with compute. It's virtual CPU cores and RAM. Like we have plenty of model compute. That's fine. We could use that all day long. I don't care about that. It's not AI compute. It's actually the virtual CPUs and the RAM, which we could solve by plugging a like in Hetzner. Like I was telling you guys about the virtual private server, you can't do this in Vercel. Oh God, we're already diving into it again. You could just plug a GPU in. And by doing that, I mean like it's a button click inside Hetzner, and then you can add a GPU in, and then we could go from only having 50 users to only having 50,000 users. All right, guys, come on. We gotta lock in. Wow. Free tier with local wouldn't be good quality though, so may push people away instead. Also, we did the local thing. It sucks having it local. It defeats the whole purpose. The main purpose of CLIPPO is it runs in the background and is zero work. Like I don't want to end a 5-hour stream and then hit an app, start up a local model, have it take 8 hours to clip the videos. I just want to end the stream and I want the clips to be made. That's what I want. All right, test run URL is running locally. Let's check it out, guys. I was more... Guys, GPT-5.5 is so crazy. I find that switching different models is a noise. My thought is that free tier users will want the best for free. Those that want to progress are willing to pay to get good quality. Yeah. Yep. Claude Pro is enough for me, but I hit the weekly limit for a site. I'm undecided between ChatGPT Plus and Kimi AI. Free bad and local bad. Yeah. Guys, do you think that this confetti should be falling in the background like really fun and awesome instead of having it just weirdly inside the modal? Let me have it change it and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is really awesome, but I was kind of thinking the confetti would be like in the background behind the modal and be like falling quickly and exciting. Like, I think it's kind of lame just having them floating inside the modal itself. Hermes! All right, Green Smoothie says, get free data from your free usage users and fine-tune your own AI. Green Smoothie is a wizard. Fine-tune your own AI. I would love to do that. I think we should do that one day. All right, David King, Max, even for onboarding and stuff, make Codex use image gen based on your current CLIPPO site and generate mock-ups for the onboarding flow so you iterate less for UA design stuff. What up? Oscar's here! Oscar's here. Guys, Fridays hit absolutely different. I'm sorry, but Fridays hit absolutely different on the live stream. Oh, I just love it so much. I feel like the chat is in the best mood. I feel like everybody's vibing out of their mind. Like, Fridays just, are so much better. Clueless knows. Yeah, you're right, David. We need to get image gen fired up and start refining some of these images. I asked the marketing skill that we're using, guys. I said, does this thing have any sort of SEO skills? And it said yes. Installed marketing skill bundle includes several SEO focused skills: SEO audit, AI SEO, programmatic SEO, schema, content strategy, competitors, directory submissions, site architecture. For CLIPPO specifically, I start with SEO audit plus schema on the landing page, then competitors. All right, get it to work on the SEO audit and schema. Don't change anything yet, but give me a full rundown of the report. And why don't you make an HTML page so that I get an absolutely fire understanding of what you're trying to tell me instead of reading all this text. All right. Nobody prompts better than me. There's not a single person on X build in public that prompts better than me, or YouTube live stream. Guys, what would happen if I only streamed on YouTube? Guys, respond in the chat, please, immediately. Immediately, guys. What would happen if I only streamed on YouTube, guys? And I need you to think about this. If I only streamed on YouTube, unfortunately, Clueless would have to go to YouTube. But if I streamed on Cluetube, if I streamed on YouTube, the chat would be instantaneous, so there'd be no lag between me and you on the chat. We could stream in 1440 60p, which who cares about that? But the main thing is chat would be instant. There wouldn't be, right now there's 45 seconds of delay between when you guys message me on X and YouTube and I can see it, which I hate. Like, I feel like it makes it feel so disconnected. Like, imagine if me and you were having a conversation right now and I had to wait 45 seconds before I could answer you. Sweaty Biscuits has an issue with your prompting, bro. I mean, I'm willing to sacrifice myself for the greater good. Like just I can talk to Clueless immediately. And it feels so much better than like with you guys on YouTube and X. I cannot really, like, I can kind of fake it like I'm talking to you guys, but it's actually very difficult for me to like converse back and forth with you. Like if we could even just have a 2-second delay, 5-second delay instead of a 45-second delay. So we have 42 viewers right now, and I think 41 of our 42 viewers are on YouTube. It doesn't tell me how many people are watching on X. I do have 15,000 followers on X. So like when I end the live stream, sometimes there'll be like 500 views on X, which means that like 500 people stopped in to watch at some point. I think there's a way to restream from OBS without any latency. There's not. Guys, I've enabled low latency. Low latency mode is enabled in settings. If there's 100 plus people in here, maybe worry about it, but your vibe coding in the stream is a vibe. I don't know what language that is. Like streaming. I would like to add a third clip style. Right now we have the classic and we have the 50/50. I would like to add full zoom, where it's just one short-sized box that you can position and resize the same way you can with the 50/50 style, so that we can make shorts that are just full vertical height of the short. Don't make the changes yet. Respond back to me, grill me if you need to, so that I know that you understand what I'm saying. In live control room, go to, I've already done this. Is setting not in YouTube? Yes, it is. I've done this. I've done this. I've done this. Humble. Not in OBS. I went into YouTube Studio and I switched it to ultra low latency. But the problem is, guys, is I am multi-streaming through Restream because I have no upload speed. And if Quigago or somebody in here tells me to use an open source alternative, I'm going to freak out because I don't have enough upload speed to send 3 streams from my computer. So what's happening now is I send 1 stream, it uses the entire upload speed that I have available, and then it goes to Restream's server, and then Restream separates it out to X, to YouTube, and to Twitch. That way there I only have 1 pipeline going out. But we're always going to have that latency of Restream re-encoding the stream and then sending it to YouTube. And also I heard a rumor the other day, which I can 100% believe, that YouTube heavily deprioritizes your stream if they see it's coming from a multi-streaming source like Restream. So I'm not getting sacrificed. I don't know. You might be sacrificed. I'm not going to lie to you. You might be sacrificed. Well, you don't have to be sacrificed. You can just go to YouTube. I mean, all of this could be changed if my area just had fiber, and then I would just send it out from. I would just send the 3 streams from my computer here. I would have a stream server set up, and I would send the 3 streams out from here in the highest quality possible. Guys, I'm feeling absolutely locked in today. This is not what I'm talking about. There's no volume, and it's going way too fast. There is no... Guys, this is so bad, guys. %, too little volume, and the confetti instantly falls down 90% of the desktop view height and then slows down at the bottom. It should be a nice, graceful fall from the top to the bottom, like a leaf falling off a tree, with nice volume. All right. Skill descriptions were shortened to fit the 2% skills context budget. Codex. Oh my God, that skill that I installed just absolutely wrecked my shit. I'm gonna have to delete that immediately. I think if you want a new clip style alongside classic and 50/50 full zoom, a single vertical short size frame box, not split with another region, the user can drag and resize that box using the same positioning and controls behavior as the current 50/50 crop boxes. The output should fill the vertical short canvas. Useful when the source... God, why does it give me these... All right, questions I'd want nailed down before touching code. Should full zoom use exactly 1 editable crop box? Yes. Yes. Question 1, yes. Should the resulting export be the same output dimension as the other short styles? That's a crazy question. Question 2, yes, of course. 3, in 50/50, if there are separate top-bottom crop regions, which one should full zoom inherit its defaults from, if any? 50/50 should just be completely separate from this mode. For question 3. 4, should full zoom be available everywhere the other styles are available? Style picker, preview, save project config. Yeah, full zoom should be treated just like classic and 50/50 for question 4. Does short-sized box mean the editable box itself should always maintain? Of course. Question 5, yes, of course. Should existing project remain untouched with classic 50/50 behavior exactly as is, and only new selections using the new style? For question 6, it doesn't really matter because after 6 hours, you can't edit the clip anyways. So I don't know. I guess just apply it to new projects moving forward, but it doesn't really matter. All right, guys. Yeah, I got 2 GB up and down here. Bro, if I had 2 GB up here, I would have a 4K stream going right now. 60p. You guys would be able to get pores on my face. Okay, it would be the highest quality stream anyone's ever seen in their entire life. 2 GB up and down here. I feel like at that point, I would actually invest in having a home lab. And I would just start having the most ridiculous stuff running locally. What is your ping? All right, Oscar says, I'd zero in on YouTube. It's the most important and for you, and we're the coolest, but I'm biased. Oh, it seems like you just answered that. What did you ask? Can you get Fios in your area? No, I can't. There's no fiber. There's no fiber where I live. I like it here. It's so comfy. It's only you. It's only you. Grill me if you need to. Now that is vibe coding syntax. Guys, if you haven't used Grill Me if you need to, it's really good. It's really good. Yes, please build this out so I can test it. Make sure you do a commit before we add this in so that I can roll it back if needed. All right, what's going on here? 16K? What does that mean? YouTube is the way to go. Make it rain. Make it rain. Come on. Me too. I've been thinking about streaming my vibe coding journey. I love that, Maltrove. Let's get you vibe coding every day. 8 milliseconds. Dude, depends what I use. If I use Cloudflare, around 4 to 8. Humble. I couldn't be any more jealous of your situation. I couldn't be any more jealous of your situation right now. I've never been this like, I've always in my life, like, if there's a bottleneck or a limiting factor, like I've always figured out a workaround for it. But this stream thing is freaking me out because like I can't control that I don't have an ISP that like I even looked into Starlink, but obviously that doesn't work. 1 gig up and down, 4. Oh my God, guys. Guys, that's awesome. I'm so jealous. What? I have a backup 1 GB failover? What are you talking about right now, Humble? What are you talking about? My man has a T1 connection to his house. That's what's going to happen. That's what's going to happen is we're going to buy the new house and we're going to be streaming to like 1,000 viewers by then. And we're just going to have to invest in a T1 connection to the house. The 1 GB is $50. Wow. Mine is $80 and it's 300 and I get like 12 up. I'm not telling you who it is because I'm not doxing myself like that, but can you even believe that? Humble is out here with 1 gig for $50. Unbelievable. We need specifics on location though to see options. Let me just put my home address in the chat real quick. 5G might be an option. How does that work? So I have a 5G router, but is there any upload on 5G? And I just hate the idea of wireless, and I hate the idea of patching 5G into my house. Like, I'm not trying to be a hippie or anything like that. I'm not trying to be on some hippie shit, but the idea of patching 5G into my house, that might be the craziest hippie thing I've ever said. Humble casually running his own AI model. Let me guess, you got a GB200 server running your local AI model as well. I have Optimum has the backup 1 gigabyte because they are for the main 2G. What if you do what IRL streamers do and multi-stream from a remote server with OBS on it? No, still not going to work. Because I still have to send the signal out from my house, and my house only has a certain amount of uplink. I have the T-Mobile 5G internet. It's pretty great, but that's 80 to 100 range. For upload, I did see Codex Mobile smelly. I have to check it out. I'll be checking it out this weekend for sure. You guys are talking about 700-ish download though, right? Because of streaming, I'm more worried about the upload. You know what I mean, guys? Unless you guys are also talking about upload, which that's insane to me. I still need a little bit more volume, I feel like. This is not exciting. Listen, I need some more volume, like at least 50% more pieces. We need a fast model, guys, because I can't spend my whole life waiting for GPT-5.5 to do stuff. So what do we have for a super fast model? So I can have 2 models open that are super fast for small changes like that. And then I can have 2 models open with GPT-5.5 high so that it can, you know, really bang shit out. 300 is the up. 5.5 medium. Is it much faster? Is 5.5 medium much faster? I can't wait to see this full zoom mode. I think it's going to be really cool. This sounds like a perfect way to use GPT Spark. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, cool. For the fast model, you're saying? He could get a bonded 5G box, though, and maybe get better upstream from that. How much speed do I get from this? How much upload speed can I get from a bonded 5G box? Guys, we have a standing desk getting delivered to the house today. I couldn't be any more excited. It's the biggest standing desk I could find, too. Like, you got to remember this table that I'm sitting at. This table that I'm sitting at is 96 inches long. It's 8 feet long. We're going to have 8 feet of standing desk. Guys, 8 feet of standing desk. When dropping the new song on Spotify, let's go, Campion! You guys already know my Spotify project's gonna be off the hook. So in Half-Life, I used to stream events in Europe, so I'm mad about gear for. I'm your man about gear for that. Look up Peplink mobile routers when you get a chance. All right, we're gonna copy that Peplink mobile routers if you want to go 5G. I use GPT-5.5 medium. It's super slow, guys. We need a way faster router because the thing is I'm cracked out of my mind, and I need to be playing. I need to be playing at cracked levels. And right now we're playing vibe coding at like the slowest possible level we can do. And I just don't like it. Please open the CLIPPO SEO schema audit in Chrome. Had to go for a bit, but back now. Let's go, Brandon. Is that a door? No. No, it's not a door. It's a piece of wood. Elo. Yeah, Peplink, good stuff. Max, I'm telling you, give GPT Spark a try. Just give it super clear params. Oh, GPT Spark is a LLM. That's what we're talking about. JillyNet for budget stuff. You guys are so freaking smart. Man, I wish I was happy. But it's all right because I have you now. I've acquired you. This is part of the live streaming process. Is not only am I growing the audience, but I'm acquiring smart individuals. All right, CLIPPO can rank, but it needs search rails. The page is persuasive for humans. Search engines need clearer technical signals, canonical URLs, crawl control, sitemap, structured data, and cleanup of stale public assets. Biggest risk, stale pages and hidden waitlist copy can contradict cloud positioning. No JSON LD schema found. Biggest win, the page already has strong visual proof and plan call to actions. All right. Remove redirect or no index. Add canonical tags to public pages. I don't really know what that is. Add homepage schema as one. Add graph. Add robots.txt and sitemaps. No index to app shell and auth services. Current signals. Content fit. Performance notes. Implementation order, clean crawl surface, add homepage JSON LD, no index to app domain, tighten query targeting, compress heavy images. What not to do, do not add fake review schema, do not schema mark claims, do not let both marketing and app domains rank for the same intent. Let's get this started. I love this. I love everything it's telling me. I just wanted to start. Okay, please start ripping through the plan on the CLIPPO SEO schema audit. Go one at a time and bang them out. Make sure you commit the landing page before you make changes so we can revert if needed. You need a name for your live stream think tank. It's the Blade Collective. We are the Blade Collective. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that for even 1 minute. Don't let that freak you out. Don't get freaked out by that. Should I explain what I was doing right there? Probably. Should I explain what I was doing for a second there? Probably. You guys already knew what I was doing. You guys are so locked in today. It's Friday. We're absolutely vibing out of our mind. You guys already knew what I was doing. I'll just start hitting yes, proceed on these things. I need to get YOLO mode fired back up again. Give me the CLIPPO. Give me CLIPPO the hippo. Can you please make a photo of, can you please add this hippo to this photo so it looks like my arms around it and its arms sort of like underneath my arm around me as well, and it also has a thumbs up and smiling? You can get rid of the little movie clacker thing, please. Here comes CLIPPO! I took too many screenshots, not gonna lie. Let's go. Let's go. I might make some animated CLIPPO the Hippo shorts with Higgsfield. Yes! Max, order that CLIPPO the Hippo costume. You're gonna triple viewership count guaranteed. Oh my god. Over the weekend. Listen, we get one more sign up this weekend. I'm ordering the costume. I'm ordering the costume. Wait. Philly's here. Aw, Philly, I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that, but I'm so glad you're here today. Listen, things are going to turn around. Okay, they always do. And sometimes things get darkest before the, sometimes things get darkest before the dawn. Alrighty. You got a great energy to you, and I promise we will be right back in business. We'll be right back in business. And if you need something to cheer you up, I got just the thing right here, CLIPPO. I got just the thing to cheer you up. Philly, not CLIPPO. Philly, I got just the thing to cheer you up right here. If this doesn't cheer you up, I don't know what to say. The hand is so bad. Look at the hand. Look at the hand. When you hit 1K ARR with CLIPPO, you gotta say, you gotta get the wifey CLIPPO costume too. We're getting the whole family one. How do you even do that? I think Hippo has more teeth than you. I think so too. The hand, lol. AI went rogue last night and deleted C drive under desktop. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. That's just pure issues. I bash my LLM with pure blunt commands. If the robot uprising happens, I'm definitely the first one going to the matrix batteries, but until then, no please, no thank you. Oh my god. Don't do that. Don't do that. This is really perfect, but you need to get rid of the hand that's going over CLIPPO's shoulder and just have the hand that's under the armpit, because right now it looks like I have two hands. Also, can we heavily clean up the background so it's just like a very simple background for now? Like maybe get rid of that poster in the top left and crop out the tube light on the right. Forearm max might go hard. Dude, think about how many codex instances I could run, even though I can't even handle two arms. Hey, yo, chat, wish me luck. Reason about to spam a few MPM installs and just hope for the best. It's going to be fine. You're going to be great. You're going to be so great. Don't worry about that. I know there were some issues the other day. I think that my Hermes laptop got completely wrecked. I think it installed like a couple viruses. I went through, cleaned it all out. We're gold now. We're absolutely gold over here. I don't want you to worry about that. Not even for a second. All right, confetti count has been increased. Does that even feel like more confetti? I guess we're just gonna go with that. Okay. Guys. I know we mess around a lot, but I need you to be so for serious, okay? I mean, if you sign up for a SaaS and the founder has a photo of himself and the mascot like this, it's going to be small. It's going to fit in this box right there. Is that freaking you out? Like, are you canceling your subscription immediately? Are you canceling your subscription immediately if you join a SaaS, if you sign up for a SaaS, and then the founder has a picture of himself and the I mean, personally, I think it's incredible. I think it's unbelievable. No, I'm upgrading to the highest tier. Let's go! Yes, I would close the page, Alex said. Talk Taylor says, I'm instantly upgraded to the highest tier. We're definitely going to have the confetti pop at first. That's such a good idea. Instant refund? So, okay, all right. So we have two cancellations. We have two cancellations, and we have two people upgrading to the max tier. So that totally cancels each other out. So that means I'm making it live. You see how we just did that live on stream together? You see how we just did that live on stream like that? Nope, that ain't it. That ain't it. I need you to optimize this photo, and then I need you to put it in the square that has the CLIPPO text on the congratulations screen. Okay, so it's gonna need to be cropped to fit in there. Keep the nice border radius exactly how it is now. And then I need for in the very beginning for the confetti to kind of like pop, like a little bit of an explosion, like boom. And then it can go to just what we have now with it falling. So maybe like from the bottom left and right, pointed towards the top middle of the screen, they kind of like go boom, the confetti shoots up, and then it goes to what we have now where it's just beautifully falling down. Oh, so mine. Okay, you're a bit too close with CLIPPO. Very unprofessional. No, I just see that you have a sense of humor. I love that mind grind. I think if you're leaning into a hippo and confetti, I think you should lean into the fun of the site. Let's go. What's today's goals? No, your site looks sick. The image is just funny. I love it. Thank you so much. Yo, Max, I sent a more photorealistic version on Discord. I'm terrified. I'm absolutely terrified that you would do that. I'm terrified. Oh. First of all, Humble, that fires me up what you just sent. That just fires me up, the Blade Collective. Are you kidding me right now? I need that. Guys, Humble just sent this to the Discord. How do we get that vibe going inside here? How do I change that? Like, I need to 3D print. It's real, this neon, like a neon sign. Oh my God. Clueless, thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. Good luck, man. See you in the stream for this. Well, God, I can't read today. Andre, thank you for being here. Good luck, man. See the need for this when I streamed. Hope to see some type of generated ideas / topics to take up during stream so it's easier to get good clips. Hope to see some type of generated ideas / topics to take up during stream so it's easier to get some good clips. That's a good idea. We will get it going. We need a merch line. Let me work on it. Wrecked. I'm dead. Guys, we should probably start steroids as a group. We should probably start getting on gear as a group. I'm 100% kidding. Sort of. The sick part of me kind of wants to make this one the one, but I'm not going to do that. And how do I get this jacked and handsome? I'm feeling self-conscious. Feeling self-conscious. Okay. Steroids on that workflow, looks maxing and vibe coding go hand in hand. They absolutely did. All I said was make it more realistic. That's hilarious. Looking like Casey Neistat. Aha, steroids much. Hi Max, it's Friday and I'm so young. 15 years old, no money. What do you think about a free CLIPPO for me? It's me, Ebu Codes. We'll do a CLIPPO giveaway. We'll do a CLIPPO giveaway. I'll finalize the details and put them in Discord, so make sure you get in Discord. I will do a CLIPPO giveaway, but to be eligible for the giveaway, you have to do your first live stream. So unless you have already live streamed, and I will give away the second highest tier of CLIPPO for $0. And you need to have already done at least one live stream to be eligible. We'll set that up. Maybe this weekend or maybe this coming week. I haven't won a giveaway in 15 years. This might be your first. If you're done having kids, gear, weights, because what are you going to need? That's so true. I am done. Not just after you've knocked out 100 push-ups. Don't doubt yourself. I love that. That's so true. Hey guys, for real though, wouldn't it be unbelievable? Guys, wouldn't it be unbelievable, like, if at the top of this screen, like, I had like a virtual private server here and I could spawn like Codex, OpenCode, Claude Code, and then I had like my Hermes agent right here. And then I had like a little button right here so I could add another virtual private machine with one button click and like automatically install Claude Code. And do you guys think that'd be incredible? Guys, like the stream. It could be a case study for CLIPPO as well. Hell yeah, it will. If you win CLIPPO for free and you're not using it and streaming every day and giving me a case study, then I'm going to be all over you. We're going to have a weekly meeting also. Like, congratulations, you won. You're a winner of the giveaway. You just gave yourself a nightmare position. You just gave yourself a nightmare position. We're going to have a 3-hour strategy meeting every week discussing how to blow up your stream, ship your first product, start tweeting on X. Congrats. You won. Welcome to Hell Week. All right, so this implemented the SEO schema audit plan. First, I made the requested checkpoint commit. Okay. Then I made these changes. Clean stale crawl surface, added SEO rails, added schema, no index cloud app, improved image loading, verification passed. I actually like that a lot, guys. We just did SEO work. Do they call you Captain Crunch? Those crunches were on point. Let's go. It missed some crunches. Darn it. CLIPPO school community would be insane for churn too. Yes. Oh, we're just juicing each other's streams. And we're just absolutely destroying each other's streams. Bro. Bro, you guys. We have to stay locked. We have to stay locked, guys. This is getting out of hand. You guys are getting completely unlocked at this point. This is unacceptable behavior. This is completely unacceptable behavior. I swear. I swear. Eppo, I will make an age requirement on the Discord. I will legitimately put an age requirement on the Discord that you need to be 16. This is... This is absolutely... She'll freak out. She'll freak out. This would literally transcend into... I can't even let her see that. Can I please see my new onboarding photo? How is it taking this long? This is exactly what I'm talking about, dude. It's taking forever. All right, I think that I know that our editor is now live at least. Simple device that helps me reach my goals that I care about. Shows me my Stripe revenue, my GitHub contribution graphs, how many days I have left for big launch. Wow. Wow. It just one-shotted that. That's perfect. That's all I need. That's all I need, guys. This is all I need. This is exactly what I wanted. I mean, give me a break. This is exactly what I wanted. Quantum! Quantum, thank you for being here. This is what they're sending me right now. This is nightmare fuel, Azar. This is nightmare fuel. Gen Alpha moving different. Gen Alpha is moving absolutely different. So unlocked today. So unlocked today. All right, we're just gonna get rid of the shooting confetti. GPT, there's nothing worse than GPT 5.5 at anything remotely visual. Okay, I'm gonna just say it, and I'm going to stamp it right now. If something is visual, you cannot trust GPT 5.5. Like, it'll make anything work perfectly, but anything visual, just you can't let it do it. Put the hippo head on the sign up page. Oh my God. Guys, could you imagine? Could you imagine, dude? Could you imagine if you pay money for for my SaaS, and then congrats. Oh my God, that would be horrendous. That would be absolutely horrendous. All right, so it nailed that editor. I love everything about that. It seems like it nailed this SEO. Okay, please go through the rest of the skills here, and let's figure out what are some other no-brainer tasks for us to bang out from the marketing skill, please. No, ain't no way. I can't unsee that now. You literally can't unsee it. It's disturbing. It's disturbing. I use CLIPPO so much I turned into a hippo. It would get views. The name's CLIPPO. Max CLIPPO. Oh, the editor is so good, guys. It's just so simple. It's just perfect because it's simple. Like, that's all I want, you know? I just want simple, simple, simple. The editor's perfect. It's perfect. I mean, we're going to add some stuff. We're going to add some stuff, definitely, but... Oh my God, Oscar, guys, you guys have to stop. You have to stop, guys. Guys. Oh my God. Where is the line? Where is the line? I need to fit like this, dude. Imagine if I came on stream like that. Like, I don't care if we hit 10K monthly recurring revenue, I'm getting a fit like that. And I'm coming on the vibes. I'm coming on the stream like that. Sunglasses, suit, gold watch. Like, I'm coming on the stream acting like I just made $1 trillion. Look at how cute CLIPPO is. I mean, I can't believe we just nailed the best mascot of all time. Fire. Guys, if you haven't already, I need you to like the stream. I need you to go down to the description down below, and I need you to get involved in the Discord community. Hop into the introductions channel and introduce yourself. Let me know what you are building. If you're a vibe coder currently, or if you're just trying to get started vibe coding. Also, subscribe to the newsletter. Underneath the Discord, there is a link to our newsletter. Our 3rd issue comes out this Sunday, and it's going to be a banger. So make sure you guys subscribe to that. If you haven't already liked the stream, one of our goals today for the stream is to hit 100 pull-ups. 100 crunches. And we have to make that happen. So we need 50 likes on the stream in order to make that happen. Right now, we are at 53 crunches done. We're at 53 crunches done, so we're halfway to our goal. If you haven't already, I need you guys to absolutely smash that like button, obliterate the like button. Thank you so much for being here. It means the world to me. Get yourself a coffee, get yourself a nice seat, lock in for the next hour or so, the next maybe 2 hours or so. I don't really know. We are going to be getting vibe coded out of our mind here. We've already made massive progress on the day. I woke up to a new subscription to CLIPPO. If you don't know, CLIPPO is our SaaS that takes our live stream, chops it up into viral shorts, posts them automatically. We're up 1,000 subscribers in the last 2 weeks. We got monetized on YouTube. We got monetized on X. The community is absolutely blowing up. We went from 3 viewers, literally 3 live viewers. One of them was my mom. For 70 viewers on the live stream. It's absolutely unreal. Lock in, grab yourself a coffee, take a seat. It's going to be the ride of a lifetime. We are going to buy our family a house. We're at $26,000 in annual recurring revenue. We're going straight to $250,000 in annual recurring revenue. We're going to buy our family a house. After that, we are going to $1 million in annual recurring revenue. So my fiance can become my wife, doesn't have to work, can take a Pilates class every weekday and take her friends out to matcha after she goes to her very expensive Pilates studio and buy the whole class matcha. What else is there? What else is there? What else is there? Stop staring at my soul. It feels good, doesn't it? Hold on. Oh, it's so crazy. I watched the stream back the other day and I saw myself looking into the camera like that and it made me feel uncomfortable. So I can't even imagine how it makes a stranger feel. I can't even imagine. All right, it says the no-brainer queue, product marketing context, create agents, stop product marketing empty with CLIPPO's positioning, ICP claims, pricing, competitors improve. Almost every other marketing skill checks for this first, so this is the foundation. All right, start with the first one. Okay, start with the first one and then provide me a summary of what the skill looks like. Thank you. It didn't add the photo. Unless I need to, I probably need to restart the server actually. All right. Just get rid of the confetti that shoots up and just keep it what we had before, the nice confetti falling from the top. And also, you didn't add the photo that I was talking about. Like, you should have replaced the photo, the square photo that has CLIPPO on it in the modal, in the onboarding modal, with the picture I gave you. I'll give it to you again here. It just took a half hour to run that prompt and it didn't even do it. I don't believe that. Okay. Max, how can I see how much time / clips I have left in my plan? Oh, I need to add that. That's amazing. That's amazing. We'll add to settings a little tab that shows you how much time you have left. We'll add a little tab. We're gonna put it somewhere. We're gonna put it somewhere that makes sense. That's very visible. That's like, this is how much time you have left. Maybe even in this drop down here for your username, like a little thing that says this much time left. You forgot the mega yacht. Now order a custom suit and pay someone to run around YouTube and content cons. They should call him Max Tate, the third brother who appears from the shadows. Sorry, Max, couldn't help myself. You knew this was going to happen. Oh. Oh, man. That's what happens, huh? All right, created the product marketing docs, agent product marketing. It captures CLIPPO's positioning, ICP personas, pain points, competitors, differentiation, objections, switching dynamics, customer language, brand voice, proof points. It's basically the foundation for the whole marketing skill bundle. Its workflow is check for existing content, auto draft from code base or build from scratch through questions, capture product overview. I mean, I like how it did the SEO optimizations. I think that was really good for the marketing skill. I think that was great because I would have never done all that stuff. Like, it did a ton of SEO optimization stuff that I would have just never done. So that makes me feel good. Even if it doesn't actually do anything, it makes me feel good that it's done. Okay, now please go through the rest of the skills in the marketing skill and give me the next highest payoff activity we can do in this marketing skill. No, don't revert to the prior commit. Just change the code. All right, until that exists, every other marketing activity is partially blind. Create a tracking plan and then instrument the first version, landing events, price clicked, tier selected, login clicked, auth sign up events, billing events. Activate. Oh man, I don't know. I mean, I guess that stuff is good, but all right. Apple Code says, if I buy the Kodak $20 plan, do you think I can use GPT like you use? So at least 2 times? No, I meant using it in multiple CLIs. Only one way to find out. Only one way to find out. I'm gonna say yes. I'm gonna say 100% yes. I bet you the $20 plan for Claude Code for Codex is probably $1,000 worth of API tokens. That's what I'm guessing. It's $1,000. Imagine next week when I'm standing here. Oh, it's going to be so good, guys. It's going to be so good. Got him. Guys, we need the suit. We need the suit. Yeah, those are sit-ups. You're right. Those are sit-ups. Well, no, they're crunches. Will the standing desk have the X196? I wish I knew what that was. You have to set up a separate OBS scene where you look like a DJ at the decks with the new desk. I'm 100% going to do that on a Friday sprint with y'all. Let's fucking go, Saxtron. Yes, Saxtron. Knight, what is up? What is up, Knight? How are you doing? How are you? The way Mac's moving right now, I'm surprised he and the wifey aren't at EDC. I haven't been to like a EDC type thing in 10 years. Yeah, we got a new desk coming, guys. Let me just real quick. Let me just flex the desk real quick. Oh, the new desk, guys. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna just change. It's gonna change everything. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I put it in the Discord the other day. We have so many people chatting in the Discord now. It went from just me, Green Smoothie, and Humble to like now we have a legit Discord. Like I can't even find messages now. I cannot even find messages. Let me pull it up. Let me pull it up. I'm just so fired up about it. Oh, it's on my front steps, it says. It's on my front steps, guys! Look at this Chonkmeister, dude. Are you guys seeing this Chonkmeister, dude? This looks like we should be in a science lab. Looks like JCB built it's pretty solid. Build it this stream or build it in stream. That would be some content. I know. Everybody keeps saying that. Everybody keeps saying that. I have so much work to do. I have to record our first YouTube video tonight. I had this is pretty cool. I had our Hermes agent download I had the Hermes agent download all of the live streams we've ever done, all of the chats, and then and then transcribe everything. So I have the chats and I have the transcriptions of what I said. So we have basically the whole conversation since the very first day. And then I had it go through and I said, I had Gemini because it's got the 2 million context window. I had it go through and I said, make a list of all the things I've promised to chat and put it in rank of like 1 to 20, like the 1 being like this is what you promised the most, and then 20 being this is what you promised the least. And it's like, it was like my Hermes agent was like, almost every day somebody has come in and asked when you're going to post the vibe coding YouTube video, and you said you're going to post it this week and you haven't. So I feel like tonight like has to be the night that we film, that I at least write and film the vibe coding YouTube video. The second most thing was people coming in asking for the workout tracker. So those two things just have to happen. Somebody in general can tag me and follow up with me later today. They can tag and say, Max, are you filming the YouTube video for vibe coding? How to get started vibe coding? And did you make the workout tracker live? Actually, we can, I feel like Max won't stream it because he's going to have his mom put it together for him inside of it. Just a gut feeling. I built this desk, Quigago. This desk right here, I built this. Okay, I built this desk right here. Okay, I am a man. Look at these hands. Look at these hands right here, okay? These are hands that are made of action. The Discord is crazy. Had to scroll like 1 mile to find a message from yesterday. Yeah, it is. We probably should have some better organization. Vibe code tutorial makes sense. The feet OnlyFans has to rank second. The feet OnlyFans was like the 4th thing on the list. My Hermes agent was like, you've been promising an OnlyFans for the last 20 days straight. I do have a suite of workout trackers now. I do. Isn't that just a piece of wood and some milk crates? Quigago, go back to Dreamweaver. Okay, go fire up Dreamweaver and go get some websites live. It's Friday. It's Friday, okay? I need you to wake up. Hey, got some calluses on those hands. It didn't count half of the crunches. Damn it. Oh, it's not going to move the image. It's not going to move the image for me. Are you serious, dude? That's got to be the lamest thing GPT-5.5 has ever done. All right, I'm going to name this founder. Founder, welcome. Actually, you know what? Let's I'm gonna have this change it to a 1:1 aspect ratio. Can you please change this to a 1:1 aspect ratio, but keep me and CLIPPO in frame and maybe that plant with the like bokeh effect situation going on? Don't change anything else. I feel like once you get to the 3rd iteration, so like you can do 2 iterations of a photo in Codex. Once you get past like 2, you really just need to restart in a new tab. Like it starts degrading the photo and it starts losing the plot and getting just so far off from the original thing, you know? Unfortunately. I'm so like dopamine out of my mind. Like I'm such like a dopamine addict that like all I can think about is the fact that the standing desk is on my steps right now. Like that's how like just dopaminergic my brain is set up. Like it's so like ADHD just like craves anything dopamine-y. Where am I going right now? Front end assets, founder, thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, see what I mean? This is exactly what I'm talking about. It just ruined the whole thing. Guys, it just ruined the whole thing. See, this is awful. It went from this nice little photo right here to now ruined. You can't go 3 in. You just can't go 3 in. Unfortunately. I added founder welcome.png to assets. Wait, it's 12:30. Build it now. I can't. Live stream it or do a member stream. Oh, a member stream would be so good. Yes, it happens with every model. Nano Banana 2. Unfortunately. Yes, we want the burpees. LOL heart. Generating animated CLIPPO sequence now. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Effie Gherkin. We're using Whisperflow. It's absolutely terrible. We're gonna make our own. We're gonna have one like 6 to 8 hour live stream where we start the stream with no dictation tool, and we're gonna end the stream with a dictation tool, and it's going to be like only for vibe coder degenerates. Like you actually will have it be like a one-time lifetime payment or something like that. And you get like a badge mailed to you or something, and like a shirt that says like you're a lifetime, you're a vibe coder degenerate. But you have to prove before you can even purchase it. Like right now we're using Whisper Flow. We're gonna make Scream Flow. And you have to prove that you're like a vibe coder degenerate before you can even actually have the ability to purchase it. Is going to be our next thing. Oh yeah, wait a second. Does your teacher care that you're not you better not be not listening to school, even though I get the feeling that you're smart enough that you probably just get A's in school without trying. Which I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Oh, Epic Codes is from somewhere else, actually. It's like nighttime for him. I remember stuff. I remember stuff. I know about time zones. We're halfway to our goal of 50 crunches today on the live stream. We're halfway to our goal of 50 crunches today on the live stream. If you guys could help me out by that like button, because every like on the stream we're doing a set of 2 reps of crunches. So go ahead and hit that like button right now for me. Go to the description if you can. Get involved in the Discord community. I need you to get locked in. I really do. I really, really do. And welcome, welcome. If you're new here, welcome. Vibe code DGen sub for that. Yes, 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 yes. The Vibe code DGen sub. It comes with a t-shirt. It comes with a badge. And it comes with a little badge next to your name in the Discord that you're a Vibe code DGen sub. All right, I think it added it. Oh! Push that music back like 50. Push that music back up. Oh, yeah. Good idea. Good idea. Thank you. Guys, whenever the audio is off, please just let me know, because these are the things that I don't really remember about. Hey, I'm new here. Is this the GTA 6 early access stream today? It absolutely is. It absolutely is. Rockstar called me. They said, I need you to get on the new GTA 6 game. I need you to walk through the intro and give us your feedback on it. And I think that they wanted me to come into the studio or something like that and get involved with vibe coding some components of it. Because they did play my game. They played the game that I made on stream. Available at don'tdie.wtf. They played my video game. And they said, hey, could you get involved with helping us vibe code?
Guy, shoot the zombies. Don't let them get close. Or, well, you know. See those glowy rocks? Smash them open.
Could you help us vibe code the new GTA 6? Because we played your game, your zombie space game,
Trust me,
and it's unreal.
Much better. Stop worrying me. Oh, now we're talking.
It's crazy that I just have that out there, guys. Yeah, they said that. They were in. They were big time in. Nice. Lock in, caffeine kicking in, need some beats. Yes! That's what I love to see. Make an adaptive music tool that senses your stream and loads up an epic beat drop when you have a good moment, like something worked the way it should. That would actually be sick. I do think that, since I started live streaming, I do really think that, like, there should be AI tooling that works with live streaming better. Like, there's not really, like, I feel like AI is so underutilized in the live stream arena, which AI is like perfectly suited for live streaming. Can you help me reformat the design of this onboarding so that it is simple, less is more, but also extremely beautiful? No, please just make a mock-up of the new design. New challenge for Max: build the entirety of GTA 6 and launch it before Rockstar and become famous and retire. That's the obvious play right now, isn't it? Just releasing GTA 6 before they release GTA 6. Yeah, we should totally collab on making AI stuff for streamers. You know what's funny is that when I asked my Hermes agent to go through all the live streams, it said, "Yo, Humble is really smart, and he offered to help you make live streaming products. You should collab with him." It actually said that. But we should. They said they were gonna run a Dedi fiber line to you, so you don't have any upload. That's perfect, dude. That's so perfect. Is this better? Is this better? Let me get a poll started. Hold on. Let me get a poll started. I think we just have to get a poll started. All right, I have a poll started right now, guys. And we're trying to figure out, do you like the old current one, which is right here, or do you like this new one for the modal? I almost for some reason don't like this new current one. Like the vertical, I don't know if it makes sense to have a step-by-step modal. Like doesn't the landscape feel better, or should it be? Like, to me, this doesn't feel like it's going to go. This feels just like a vertical setup, and it's not going to go to the next step. Like, it feels like I'm just going to exit out of this and be done. Whereas, doesn't this feel more like it's going to the... I don't know. Quigago, you should use Hot Chicks. That's always his answer. What movie tonight? Oh, we should definitely watch Spaceballs tonight. Valento, right now we are building CLIPPO, which takes the live streams and automatically turns them into shorts for us and automatically schedules and posts them on my YouTube, which has gotten us over 1,000 subscribers in the last 2 weeks, has taken this live stream from 0 viewers to over 70 viewers. Yeah, I like the simple horizontal one. All right, everybody likes the current one better. Everybody likes the current one better, so we have to iterate off of this. All right, we'll just iterate off this one. I'm ending the poll. All right, easy work. Get rid of this text on the onboarding modal. Also, get rid of the skip onboarding button that is above the purple call to action button. Check your DMs. Unironically, you should reach out. Kugago, are you a millionaire that has made money off of doing marketing with hot chicks? Is this your backstory? I feel like every third comment is you should do marketing with hot chicks. Which I'm not denying that just works. That just totally works. Reach out to some hot streamers and give them free copies instead of like a free user with watermark or if anything. That would be better than a free user. Show them both in full screen for better comparison. Check your DMs. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Humble, I'm gonna keep that hidden for now. Because I don't want to leak that yet. Dude, that's gonna be insane, Humble. Oh my God. Thank you for making that. That's going to be insane. I'll try to get that set up for Monday, I'm thinking. Dude. Don't share that in the main Discord yet. Keep that private for now. Awesome. Quigago, I have marketed some things before. He knows. How do we luck out? Quigago's literally like our first viewer, guys. What is wrong with this? What is wrong with... Why is it so bad? GPT-5.5 is horrendous at anything visual. It kept this little tiny button on the top. Okay, bring that little helper text back, but just completely get rid of the button for the skip onboarding that is stacked on top of the purple call to action button. Keep the purple call to action button exactly where it is now. Undo that. Don't overthink it. It looks great. Thank you, Rachel. Maybe make its height shorter. Yeah, it needs a little bit of height shortness. I do enjoy a little bit of dead space. Like, my design preference is a little bit of dead space, but that's too much. You're right. Max, there are skills you can add for web dev and front end design for Codex that makes it a lot better first try. Yeah, we need to deep dive into skills. Maybe we'll have a skills day. Code the future, vibe the present, degen the rest. Vibe code degen motto for laughs or some shit like that. That's the motto right there. Code the future, vibe the present, degen the rest. I think I figured it out too. I think I figured out what I'm going to do. The Codex app is also great at selecting specific selections of a UI and prompting changes for it. Good for image gen too. Everybody is trying to get me on the Codex app so bad. I have to give it a try. I personally widened the horizontal padding of the white background. I figured it out, guys. I'm going to show you right now. It's going to blow your mind. YTMK, what is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for being here. How are you doing today? Happy Friday. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, this is actually good. This is really good. Who is Cookie Bubba in Discord? You don't have to dox yourself if you don't want to. Never mind. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. That's sick. I like that a lot. That's pretty good. All right, do you currently use only Codex for code, or do you switch between different models? Yeah, we use Opus 4.7 a lot too. I just don't trust it anymore. Happy Friday, Amir. Almost every day. I love that. Thank you so much. It's me. There's a whole sequence. That's the last shot. Cool, cool, cool. Wait, share the whole sequence then. What are you doing? way, it left the button. It still left the button. This is mind-blowing. That people think we have AGI. And... my guy, you still left the button above the purple call to action button. It's just the text inside the button has been removed. We need to completely remove this button. Only just understood the name CLIPPO Hippo. Very nice. Just joined the project for fuck's sakes. Honestly, don't even feel bad for a second, because for some reason I am like the exact same way with super obvious shit like that. It just like goes through me. Codecs for both front end and back end coding. Unfortunately, yes. Unfortunately, yes. It messed up some of the generations I'm running in the other clip gens. Gotta animate Max with the hippo and the suits now. Yeah, we do. We do. Like the stream. This action button should be right underneath this. And then the skip button should stay down here. I mean, this stacked view is awful. How much does your API bill come out to? Do you pay as you go? I'm just on the pro plan. I'm on the $100 a month plan, and I don't think I've ever come close to using all of it. What about putting a background or a gradient or a pattern in the box? I don't know about a gradient inside the box. I just want to keep it simple for now. I want to keep it just ridiculously simple for now. Literally, I cannot believe how long it takes for GPT-5.5 to do this stuff. All right, this is so much better, guys. This is already so much better. I have a next step that we could possibly do here that I think would take it to the next level. It's probably going to take an hour. On the first step of the onboarding, can you please take the square photo that we have of me and CLIPPO and place that above the H1 and H2 inside the modal and have it left aligned? Normal user, what is up? What is up? What is up? How are you? Welcome to the stream. All right, let's close one of these. How do you close in Ghosty? I think it's Control W, Command W. No, it's definitely not. It's definitely not. Let's just open a new Ghosty window. And what do we have for a badass actual fast model that we can run in open code? What do we got for a badass actually fast model, guys? I would code it faster. I know, it's like the rare thing. Let me go on OpenRouter and let's find a fast model, guys, because I'm really sick. Like, it slows the stream down so much, and it would be nice if for the simple stuff, like we had a super fast model on deck that was somewhat capable. Wait a second. Grok came out with Grok Voice Text-to-Speech 1.0 yesterday? Nobody said anything about that. All right, I'm going to use the restroom. I'm going to let this finish. I'm going to say yes, proceed. And then when I get back, we'll figure out a fast model. Gemini Flash is very fast. It is super fast, actually. I'll be the guinea pig switching to GPT 5.5 low now. We'll report back. Ooh. All right, here's what I got. I got cold brew coffee. Cold brew. Very nice. It's a light roast. And we have Oikyo's Fusion, 23 grams of protein, plus digestive health support. Come on. And they're delicious. They're so good. They're insanely good. All right, everybody wants me to try ChatGPT Spark, so I think we got to try it. Does Codex have that built in? It does. Ultra fast coding model. Should we run it? Should we get psychotic for a little bit? Good call, Rachel. And how do we set YOLO mode? Oh, toggle fast mode to enable fast as imprint with increased plan usage. Guys, how do I enable YOLO mode? Like, I know how to do dash dangerously skip permissions. Wow, I actually hate that. That did not come out well. Alright, I actually hate that. That did not come out well. That was not what I was thinking at all. That was 0% what I was thinking. Okay, please undo that last change. I just set an alias on my ZSHRC file. Can you set an alias so that, like, you can have YOLO mode and the model? But like, if I do YOLO mode right now, oh, so you do YOLO. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, it's dangerous. They bypass approvals in Sandbox. Yes, that's what I'm asking for. That's what I'm asking for. Yeah, we tried Kimmy, and it was actually really good. All right, so we have YOLO mode, and it's on GPT-5.3 Spark. Let's see if this thing rips. Let's see if this thing absolutely rips. I want to have this finish, and then if this rips, we'll start firing off multiple of them. Now running test GPT 5.3 Codex Spark low versus GPT 5.5 low. That's a good test. That's a great test. I mean, the amount of time GPT 5.5 high is taking to just undo the last change that it just made is insane. All right, so under step 1, get rid of this text and the card around it. I feel like it's not ripping as fast as I thought it was going to. Oh, it's done. Actually, that was much faster. Let's see if it worked, though. It did work. It worked perfectly. Okay, all right. guys, we might be in. We might be in. Move the purple call to action button for the start analyzing so it's directly underneath the input box for the YouTube URL. Keep the skip button exactly where it is for now. And then we need to add a back button somehow. Like, I don't know where because it's already getting so bloated. But we have to add a back button somewhere. We'll figure it out. All right, how many years of coding experience are required to code at a level comparable to Codex? Furthermore, is learning to code still necessary now that we have AI? No, learning to code is not necessary, but having a basic foundation is always necessary no matter what, whether it's AI or whatever. So like, if you don't know the relationship between client, server, database, backend, front end, you're going to have a bad time. If you don't know the fundamentals of setting up DNS, SSL, reverse proxy, you're probably going to have a bad time. So you just need to know the basic structure first. And it's extremely simple. And you could probably learn it in one day. All right, maybe not one day, but 1 week. Yeah, GPT 5.3 Codex Spark might be the truth. It's already done. I need to like, I'm used to things taking forever, so now. All right, cool. Cool, we need a back button, and we need what do we need? Like, what happens if I put a video in here? Do on a computer? Let me see what happens if I put a video in here and it hits start analyzing. It starts analyzing in the background. Okay, cool. Love that. Love that. Damn it. Same thing here. Get rid of that text with the connect your channel. Shit. Same thing here. Get rid of the text with the connect your channel and the card around it. And move the purple call to action connect your channel button so it's inside it, and keep the skip button exactly where it is. Would you agree that the best way to learn is by working on a project? Absolutely. I can always ask chat 1000%, 1000%, 1000%. The best way to learn is by working on a project. Yep. So you're going to watch my YouTube video that I'm going to make tonight about how to get started vibe coding. And then you're going to set up your vibe coding environment, if you will. And then you're just going to start working on your first project. And maybe that's what I'll have the video be, is just like, let's build an ultra simple project together. Already done. Oh my God, I love this. No. Okay, we have to be way more direct with our... We have to be way more direct with what we're saying. Undo those last changes to step number 2. Delete this text and the little card that's around it. Move the link YouTube button so that it is where that text and card that you deleted is now. So fast. Why is it deleting the text? You deleted too much text. You should be keeping the H2 text in place. Just delete the connect your channel. So connect your channel so CLIPPO can schedule shorts text. Let's see if we can fix that. So it's definitely not as smart, but honestly, like it might be worth it if we can just like be more precise with our prompts. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We got to fix these buttons obviously, but we'll do that. We'll do that. So link your YouTube. It couldn't start Zernio because it's not connected to Zernio, but that's fine. Skip YouTube. Okay, great. So let's just go one at a time actually. Delete, we're going to say delete this. On step 3, delete this text and that little card that's around it. Don't change anything else. And, what the? On step 3, delete this text and the little card that's around it. Okay, yeah, no, that worked. Oh my God. Okay, you removed the text, but you didn't get rid of the card that is around it. So now there's just an empty card. We need to get rid of that card too. Beautiful. Move the purple create agent token button so that it's directly underneath the agent token input box area thing. Come on. Move the purple create token button so that it's directly underneath the agent input box token area. on step number 3. Tried Codex. We're on Codex right now. So we're on Codex right now. We are trying a ultra fast model, which is Codex Spark. And it might be amazing because it literally just rips through commands. It literally just rips through commands. Like, that just saved us so much time, guys. If we were using that from this morning, we would have been done with that immediately. Is usage on Codex good versus using GPT models in Cursor? It's insane. It's absolutely insane, Rico. It's insane. If you have a $100 Codex plan, like, it just keeps going forever. This should be welcome to CLIPPO. On the first step, change this to welcome to CLIPPO and change the purple small welcome tag to congrats or congratulations. Looks nice. Is that Barney? Yes. I can't even imagine to $200 plan, like, what benefit is that over the $100 one, even for instances where you're using multiple different Codex processes. So I heard, I used to have the $200 plan and then I downgraded to the $100 plan because that was when, like, Opus 4.7 just came out. But I was using the $100 plan because I guess it's much faster. Or that's what I was told. Peter, whoever, Stein, the guy who created OpenClaw, tweeted it out. I was gonna ask, how can I add a back button to this modal without things getting just like way too overloaded and gross? Please make a mock-up for me. Oh man, it's so funny that I can bang out pull-ups and push-ups, stuff like that, and then because I don't do crunches, that's like the hardest one. All right, so we are going to have to use GPT 5.5 for this. It's going to be too much for... We're going to change it so it looks like this. We're gonna change it so it looks like this. Amir! This one is one of the best things I've ever watched. LOL. This is so inspirational, man. I love it. What's the app called? Oh, Amir, you get me fired up. Thank you so much. Bran, I totally agree. I totally agree. The app is called CLIPPO. So right now we're making Get CLIPPO, which is our app that takes the live stream and it breaks it up into shorts for us. So we've been having it. We launched last weekend, and we have a few users, which is really cool. And we built the whole thing live on stream together. And basically, it's taken my live stream. We've gone from zero viewers to we've had over 70 users, 0 viewers, and oh my god, we've gone from 3 viewers in the live stream to over 70 in the live stream. We've gained 1,000 subscribers in the last 2 weeks. What else have we done? We got monetized on YouTube, so it works really well. It's one of the best products we've made thus far. But we just have to put like some finishing touches on it so that it's a really good experience for the end user. Are you using Whisperflow? Yeah, we're using Whisperflow right now, but it sucks. Oh, that one that tracks your crunches? No, that's that's just something we vibe coded. We just vibe coded that so that anytime somebody likes the stream, we work out. On some days we do pull-ups. On other days we do crunches. On other days we do push-ups. We do a different workout every day. If you're into vibe coding, make sure you join the Discord. All right, so basically we're going to add this back button here. We're going to get rid of the skip onboarding text right there. We don't need that. Just the X is fine. That's more than enough. People get that. This is going to be a way better layout. Way better layout. Like, way better. Yeah, that's right. Okay. I want you to update the current modal structure so that it looks like this. Notice how it added the back button and it changed the X on the top right to just being an X with no text in it. All right, this is good. This is good. I feel like no way I need to use it. So I have promised, I don't know if you're talking about CLIPPO or the workout thing, but if you're talking about the workout thing, I have promised that we are going to take the workout thing and add it to our Discord so that you guys can download it and use it. So that you guys can download and use it. And one day he'll do burpees. Oh, God, burpees suck. Have you tried Claude Design? Yeah, we tried Claude Design live on stream, Roman. We tried it the first day it came out. It was not really like my favorite, to be honest. Maybe I just don't get it. I probably wasn't using it right. This was like my first couple days live streaming, so I was nervous about live streaming, and then I'm trying to use like a brand new tool live on stream. So I think that we probably should go back to trying Claude Design. Next, like, must do pull-ups. No. No, no, no. Today is crunch day, guys. It's crunch day, guys. All right. Ghosty is the GOAT of terminals. Ghosty is nice. I like Ghosty. It's nice. The one thing I don't like is how it doesn't have my virtual private servers at the top here with a list of the tools on the virtual private servers: Hermes, OpenClaw, Claude Code. So I can just click in and then be vibe coding straight to the server. Do you still go to the gym after having a workout session while you vibe code / stream? No, I don't. Okay, so guys, I've been thinking about this. I've been thinking about this a lot, and I think that the perfect layout for me. I've been thinking about this a lot because we have to get dialed in. I think that we start with, I don't know, bedtime. At like 9:30. And then we can get up at we can wake up at 5:30. I know this is too small. Hold on, I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay, and then I think that immediately I should be going into like either my rower, I have a rower, or incline walking. God, incline walk or running. Okay, for like, I don't know, like 30 minutes or something like that. And then when I stream, like I can do stream pull-ups, push-ups, and crunches. And then 1 or 2 days a week, probably 2 days a week, probably 1 day a week, 2 days a week, right after I'm done with the stream. And if I wait, I won't do it. So it probably should be right after I'm done with the stream. I do squats or deadlifts, and I have a squat and deadlift. I have a setup in my garage. I think this is the perfect layout. So I wake up and I get cardio in right away, which makes my mindset 1,000 times better. Like if I did rower or incline walking or running for 30 minutes before the stream, you guys would notice like I would have way more positive, even more positivity and energy than I do now. And then during the stream, I'm obviously doing my pull-ups, my push-ups, and my crunches, which is awesome. 2 days a week, 1 or 2 days a week, depending on my recovery, I'm doing like literally 2 sets of heavy squats. So I'm squatting 315 for 2 sets of 6 to 8 reps, or I'm deadlifting an insane amount of weight. But it all depends on this first, is bedtime and then wake up time. Because like my biggest issue is I'll do all this crazy hard work. You know, I'll do the streaming, I'll do the working out, and then I'll try and do work after stream. And then obviously I have a family as well. I have young kids I have to help take care of. And then I'll get sick and burnt out. Oh my God, dude. I honestly think if I got on 250 milligrams of test a week, my whole life would change. Right now I wake up at 6. Right now I wake up at 6:10, 6 o'clock. But I usually fall asleep at like 10:30, between 10:30 and 11. Max, I'm so proud of you doing cardio. It's crazy. It's so crazy. I can't even believe it. I used to only be a power lifter, guys. I would just lift and that was it. But honestly, if you're going to try to do this stuff full time, like if you're going to try to do content creation and you're going to try to do like shipping apps and making money from internet stuff, like You can't not do cardio. Like, there is no possible way you mental health and not do cardio also. You just can't do it. It's way too stressful to make content and to ship products and try to make money on the internet without doing zone 2 cardio at least two sessions a week. Probably 3 to 4 would be better. Do you work something aside? No, I'm full-time vibe coder. I'm on the mission to become final boss status, final boss unemployed status. Especially if you are recently adding cardio volume. Do you have a kettlebell and dumbbells? How are you tracking recovery? I wear a Whoop. Let's see where I'm at. Indeed, I feel any sports is truly beneficial no matter what it is. Yeah, you're right. You're totally right. Guys, if we got on a little bit of testosterone, I feel like everything would improve. I feel like just everything would improve. But I've just been like natty my entire life, and that's just how I roll, you know? So it kind of just goes against everything. And also, I feel like the second I go on testosterone, they'll come out with something that's like 100 times better. All right, currently our recovery, we had 97% sleep score last night, and our recovery is 70%. I did a couple years ago send my blood work in, and I did have really great tests. But I told myself I'm going to take the X payout and I'm going to invest at least like 10% into it. And I think I'm going to sign up for, it's called Ways to Wellness. They talk about it on Joe Rogan all the time, but they have everything. Like, they have peptides, they have tests, everything. And they basically go through like the most in-depth blood test ever. And they'll give you like a supplement stack. They'll be like, these are your vitamins you need to take depending on like what you have going on. I also don't get any sun at all. So like, I feel like that's not good. W in the chat, I want to reach your level. I'm currently finished college, working full-time in IT and trying to keep up and get some hands-on skills with AI. Yeah, I mean, just dedicate an hour a day to building something and marketing, you know? And that could honestly look like, as simple as it sounds. So like an hour a day, you take 30 minutes and you build with AI, anything, just something simple that helps your life. And then you take 30 minutes and you either make a video that you post on X or write a tweet that you post on X. And it has never been easier to, I mean, I say that as I'm trying my hardest to get it done myself. But, I don't know, we're living in such a crazy time right now where you can overnight, this is what happened to me, you can overnight go from 0 to 3,000 followers and have a legit following, legitimately overnight on a platform like X. Like literally, my first product that I launched on X, I went from 0 to 3,000 followers overnight, and I had a 1,000-person wait list for my product. It was insane. It blew my mind. 1,000 people signed up for the wait list. They gave me their email and said, I want to purchase this when it's ready to be shipped. And that's what changed everything for me. Like, after that happens, it's very difficult to like be like, all right, I'm going to go do something else now. So addicting. All right, man, cardio is so underrated. The feeling of your heart pumping out of your throat is one of the best ever. Yeah, it honestly is. Added a different sequence to Discord. Okay, I'll check it out. If you're a creative, like thinker, have sheer audacity, you can build something cool and get paid for it. Yes. I was addicted to Alani's and was tired all the time. I stopped drinking them and I feel a lot better. I definitely need to stop drinking Alani's. I need to stop drinking Alani's, and I need to meal prep. So like on Sunday, I need to meal prep because I'm not eating real food right now. Like, I haven't adapted to the stream schedule. So like I'll get done with the stream and then I'll have not real food. Like I'm having, you know, garbage protein products, protein bars, awful treats. Oh yeah, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. We're building CLIPPO right now, which is a product that we shipped live on stream, and it basically takes our live stream and chops it up into shorts automatically, and then also automatically posts them on my YouTube account. And so in the last 2 weeks, we've added 2,000 subs. We've added 1,000 subs in the last 2 weeks. We have gone from 0 to over 75 viewers in the live stream. We got monetized on YouTube, which is unreal. It's been awesome. And then we turned it into a product and we shipped it. All live on stream. Wow, this is so good, guys. I'm so happy about this. So basically what we did here today, guys, is like we added this onboarding flow, and I think that's just really nice. Like I think that just feels really good that when you sign up for a SaaS, instead of just being dumped out into a dashboard like this, like you don't even care about your customer. And I've done this for every single product I've made, is I've made a onboarding thing that's a little bit over the top, you know, but I really think it makes a difference that when you sign up for CLIPPO, you get this nice welcome to CLIPPO thing. It says, it means the absolute world to me that you're trying out CLIPPO. Let's get you from a YouTube URL to your first clips without burying you in settings. Set up CLIPPO. And so you can paste your YouTube URL and it will start making the clips for you. If you want to skip that, you can skip that. And then you can link your YouTube channel so it can schedule the clips for you. And then you can set up agentic mode. So you can give an agent a scoped CLIPPO token so you can start campaigns, check progress, render clips, and schedule posts for you. You know, and that way there, by the time they're done with that little modal there, the CLIPPO is all set up and done for them. You know, I feel like that's nice, dude. Like, how many SaaS do you give your money to? And there's not even, I don't know. I think it's it's a little bit old fashioned, but it just feels like that extra 5% of effort that we went through today. I feel better about it. I feel 1,000% better about it. Drake boy, what's up? Max, would you be able to try one of my workouts? They're high intensity. Just need a kettlebell and a dumbbell and a bucket. JK about the... All right, send us one of your workouts. And we're going to try it. Where did our music go? All right, YTMK said, I'm genuinely inspired by your approach, how you know software development, live entertainment, and videography editing skills, all while maintaining such an outside-the-box creative mind. Thank you so much. That means the absolute world. You have no idea. We do need a counter for how many times I explain what CLIPPO is. I need to just make an OBS scene that I can click on, and then it will automatically do the breakdown. Oh shit, we did all of them. All right, so that's gonna be the end of the stream today, guys. We finished. We didn't do 100 crunches today. I'll do 100 crunches throughout the rest of the day today, just for hoo-ha's, just for fun, and we'll make ourselves ridiculously sore. I want to know, what project are you working on? We're working on CLIPPO. It chops up the live stream. Posts it on YouTube for us. Grows your following automatically. We're definitely adding a fitness section to channel the Discord. That was on my list of. Remember I told you I had Hermes find out all the stuff that I promised to do and didn't do. That's on my list. So I got my list over the weekend. I'm going to go through my list one by one and make sure I cross them all off so that I am doing the things I say I'm going to do. But that's going to be the end of the stream today, guys. Absolutely unreal stream. I am so happy. Rachel, if you're still here, and whoever else said to do it earlier, thank you so much for telling me to try Codex Spark. This is going to change everything for us. From now on, I think we're going to have like 3 Codex Spark agents going and 1 GPT-5.5 agent. We are going to 10x. I'm serious. This is not like hyperbole. We're actually going to 10x the amount of output that we have, because half of our stream we sit here waiting for GPT-5.5. You know? Humble says another banger in the books. Another stream in the books. Thanks for the inspo. Hey, Brandon, thank you so much for being here. Humble, thank you so much for being here. Tricked Boy, thank you so much for being here. YTMK, thank you so much for all your kind words. That means the absolute world to me. Brand, thank you. It's been so much fun. Oscar, drop the workout. I want to try it out. Let me know. Thank you for being here. Oh, yeah. Welcome to the stream. Thank you. Talk with Taylor. I feel like you've also been here all day today. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. F in the chat if you're still here. Let's hop on the test. Let's get out of our mind. I can't wait. I'm so excited for that. Who else do we got? Oren, thank you for being here, brother. Appreciate it. Alex, if you're still here, you're an absolute legend. You're an absolute legend. Felipe, another legend. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. Hug the fam. See you next week. Oh, yes, that's right, guys. Tomorrow and the next day, we are not going to be around. Newsletter on Sunday, and I'm going to be working on a YouTube video tonight. So, I don't know, YouTube video very soon. I don't want to say tomorrow and not have it, but YouTube video very soon. Next time you guys see me, we will have a standing desk. We'll have a standing